Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we'll learn about Quick Part Gallery. Hello viewer, today we'll learn what is Quick Part Gallery and its uses. If you are tired of writing the same text over and over again, today I will tell you an easy way to get rid of it. Here's some text that I want again and again to use it. I am going to click and drag to select it. After this, I can go to the Insert tab and look in the text group here. There is a button which name is Quick Parts. And at the bottom or last one option, which name is Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, click on it. After clicking, there is a dialog box opens. Write the name of your Quick Part selection. Quick Part Gallery helps save time by storing commonly used text, so you don't have to type it repeatedly. It allows for quick insertion of standard text, phrases, or graphics, making document creation faster and easier. Click on Category and select Create New Category. Write your category name. I write business or quotations and click OK. So, this quick part will relate to business documents. If you want to write any description, then use it, otherwise no need to use it. You can create your own reusable parts, enabling personalization and quicker formatting of documents. And at last, here in the options, I have three basic options. I could insert the content only, or I could tell it to insert the content in its own separate paragraph or on its own page. I am going with the middle option. Insert content in its own paragraph, click OK. And at this point close this document. And in closing that document, Word ended up wanting to close completely, so the program itself, Microsoft Word, is closing, but before it closes it wants me to answer the question. It says you've modified styles building blocks, otherwise known as quick parts. Do you want to save those changes to building blocks? And I am going to say yes. Open a new Microsoft Word document and going to a blank document. Write some text. I am going to use auto-generated text from Word, to using formula, equals rand, and then press enter. Now I am going to Insert tab, and again click on Quick Parts. And look at that, I've got a business and quotation section. And there is the company name and all the text I saved in gallery. And finally, I do it. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.